What's going on, YouTube? Murderkiss is back here bringing you guys another one for y'all. Super happy. Look at that beautiful sky in the back. But let's get straight into it and hop in. Okay guys, let me buckle up and we're gonna set off and have a really great video. There's a car coming. Let's see what it is. I was just in some neighborhood. It's a truck. Pretty nice truck. I actually have a video of an F-150 on my channel. Go check that one out. I do some GoPro footage with that. But anyways, just got out of this neighborhood from door dashing. Some lady wanted a smoothie delivered to her like 8 miles from like the location I picked it up from. So I'm kind of in the boondocks right now, and she gave a nice tip, so I'm not upset or anything, but I'm just like, wow, you must really want a smoothie. But let's see, the visibility in the Prius is pretty good at night. I like driving it at night. Definitely more chill vibe compared to the day, in my opinion. Just because there's less people out and stuff like that. It's really not even that late. It's like not even 9 p.m. My clock's 5 minutes ahead. It's like 8:58. But sky looks beautiful. If you guys look at the beginning of the video, I mean, that was just, I was just looking at it for a good like 10 minutes. It's like, wow. But right now I'm rocking the AirPods, listening to Kill Bill by, I don't know who it's by, but it's pretty good. Oh, we got a incoming traffic guy. What you gonna do? Nice Escalade or Cadillac something. I don't know what that is. Probably a Honda. Or yeah, a Honda. Yeah, Honda. But as you see, we're getting out of this place. I don't know what's over there. I'm not really familiar with this area too much. I need to get my lane. But anyways, I'm super excited for y'all showing up for this video. I love the support I've been getting on the Prius videos. I really appreciate it. If all you guys could do, and women, just like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new. I post content almost daily, very often. I'm confident to say very often. Typically this kind of style. I have 2 cars right now. I'm gonna actually do another video in an E350, 2015 E350, and it's gonna be sweet. I gotta get over, bro. It's a red light. Like, I don't know what that guy's on, bro. Yeah, like, you're gonna accelerate for what, bro? The way people drive, man. Turning. Now I'm listening to Lil Peep. He's pretty good. I like him. R.I.P. Lil Peep. Comment down below what you guys, what kind of music you guys listen to. I'm just curious. I would bump it on the aux, but I don't have the aux with me. I want to do a video on the audio because this one has the JBL system. Let me put the air on. I will say also, side note, not to get off track, Prius has amazing air conditioning. Knock on wood. My first car, I posted in another video too, Rondo, no AC. It was just tremendously, like, it was, I don't even know how I made it through. But it made me very grateful for having air conditioning. the Santa Fe. Whoa, he's swerving. Also, my fuel gauge is not working. I'm going based off the amount of miles I go. I should be averaging like 400 miles in a full tank. Because when I go to the gas station, it might say even in this video that I have low gas, but I actually have like half a tank. I don't know why it quits off at half a tank. But yeah, we're maneuvering over. And we're gonna try to make this light. I don't know. Can you turn right on red? Right lane must turn right, I know that. Oh. Yep, see there's a camera somewhere. Now this is a nice little chill road. I'm going to the gym right now. I might start posting workout videos, but I need to get to I think my goal is around 180, just pure muscle. Right now I'm like 165, so I got 15 pounds to go, but I'll get there. You just gotta eat so much food, it's ridiculous. You gotta eat like, for me personally, because my metabolism is just off the charts. I mean, I'm 5'11", I'll just say 6 foot. I think I went to the doctor, they said I was like 5'11" and like 3/4, but that was so long ago, and I feel like I've grown, so I'll just say I'm 6 foot. But anyways, I'm like 165 right now. I weighed myself yesterday, and you know, I'm working towards that goal. Also working on this YouTube channel. As you guys have known, I've been posting so many videos, it feels like, but you know, I'm super grateful to have, you know, the support and community that I have on my channel. So once again, I am so appreciative of all you guys watching, and women. Shout out to the people from Cambodia, all over the world, US, all of that. I love you all. And you know, we're gonna keep going, guys. We're gonna run this Prius to 1 million views. That would be insane. I'm gonna pass this guy. But anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. Probably just gonna keep it going just a little bit longer, just because, you know, I don't want to bore you guys. But anyways, like I said, comment down below some information, just anything. I respond to the comments. I love reading them. I need some like feedback, constructive criticism. I'm completely up for it. You know, I want to make these videos better for y'all. Just let me know what I could do to improve, and I'll try to implement it in my next video. Yeah, that guy was on his phone bad. He was looking completely down, just at his phone. See a lot of distracted driving in my area, but I'm a pretty defensive driver, so I'm, you know, keeping my distance and all that. Even in the BMW, I have 328xi. I'm pretty a defensive driver in that also. Still have to do a video on it. It got hit and run. I'm probably gonna do a video before I take it into the body shop. It's coming up this weekend, so I'm super excited. They're gonna fix it, make it look all good and pretty for pictures. But anyways, I got a A6300 camera. I'm gonna start using that to film vlogs and stuff. I just don't know what I'd film exactly. Kind of just, maybe just like my life and all that. I don't even know. But that will bring some really cool content. A vlog, you know, other people, maybe do some like interviewing. I want to do some interviewing and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Murticus is out. Peace.